Hello, and welcome to the ever-evolving world of Forex trading, where every tick on the chart tells a story and every session brings new opportunities. Whether you're joining us from your home office, a bustling trading floor, or just tuning in with curiosity, you're in the right place. Today I'm thrilled to have you alongside a global community of traders, each of us united by a passion for the markets and a drive to master the art of trading. It's June 12, 2025, and the markets are already buzzing with activity. We're about to dive straight into the charts and see what the day has in store. The markets are alive, constantly shifting, and speaking to us through the language of price and volume. Every movement, every spike, every dip is a message waiting to be interpreted. Our job as traders is to listen carefully, interpret these signals, and act with discipline and precision. It's not just about making trades, it's about making the right trades at the right time. At this very moment, all eyes are on the USD JPY pair, a currency duo that often sets the tone for the entire Forex landscape. We're witnessing a fascinating struggle at a key resistance level, hinting at a possible shift in momentum. This is where the market story gets interesting. These are the setups that can define not just a single trade, but potentially your entire trading week. Recognizing them early is what separates the prepared from the reactive. Remember, we're not here to chase every flicker on the screen. Patience is our edge. We wait for those high-probability scenarios that truly stack the odds in our favor. The current price action on dollar-yen demands a clear, practical breakdown, one that cuts through the noise and focuses on what really matters. Today we'll dissect this setup together. We'll look at the broader context, identify the key levels, craft a plan of action, and most importantly, discuss how to manage risk like a pro. The ultimate goal? To see the market not as chaos but as a landscape of structured opportunity, where preparation meets possibility. No matter your experience level, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these principles are universal. They're the foundation of every successful trading journey. So, grab your coffee, get comfortable, and prepare to sharpen your trading mindset. This is your time to learn, grow, and get inspired. Let's decode the USD JPY chart together, break down the technicals, and uncover the potential path that lies ahead for this pivotal pair. The stage is set, anticipation is building, and a compelling move could be just around the corner. Let's get started and make the most of today's trading session. Let's dive deeper into a pivotal moment for USD JPY traders, a moment where the market's intentions become clearer and every detail matters. We're at the heart of the action, where price meets resistance and the market's next move hangs in the balance. Our sell setup is built around a powerful rejection at a major resistance, 144.00. This isn't just a technical level, it's a battleground where buyers and sellers clash, and the outcome can shape the next trend. The 144.00 mark is more than a number. It's a psychological and historical barrier, a level that traders around the world are watching. When price approaches this ceiling, emotions run high and volatility often spikes. On the 1-hour chart, we see the struggle unfold. Bullish momentum is fading, each push higher is met with resistance, and the candles themselves show exhaustion. Long upper wicks and smaller bodies reveal that buyers are losing their grip. Sellers are stepping in with conviction, taking advantage of every failed attempt to break higher. The shift in sentiment is subtle at first, but it's gaining traction. The market tried to break above 144.00, but each attempt was met with a wall of supply. Sellers overwhelmed buyers, and the price was pushed back down. This rejection is our first major clue, a spark that could ignite a larger reversal. It's a signal that the uptrend may be running out of steam, and a new direction could be emerging. Bearish momentum is building. Sharp down moves are overpowering weak up moves, and the balance of power is shifting. Buyers are losing steam, while sellers are gaining confidence with every red candle. This isn't just market noise, it's a clear signal of a potential shift from bullish to bearish. The trend is showing early signs of reversal, and traders are taking notice. The confluence of rejection at resistance and growing bearish momentum forms the foundation of our setup. It's not just one signal, but a combination of factors aligning for a high-probability trade. We're not here to predict the future, we're here to react to what the chart is telling us right now. Every candle, every rejection, every shift in momentum is a piece of the puzzle. the failure to hold above 144.00 is significant. It tells us that buyers have tried and failed, and that the path forward may be changing. For now, the path of least resistance appears to be down. Sellers have the upper hand, and the market is setting up for a potential move lower. The stage is set for a possible decline. All the pieces are in place and traders are watching closely for confirmation. Let's see how this unfolds. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and remember, opportunity often comes when the crowd is caught off guard. To strengthen our bearish case, let's take a closer look at the price structure forming at this key resistance level. Understanding the story behind the price action is crucial for anticipating what might come next. Here, we spot a classic double top, a powerful visual representation of failed ambition in the market. This pattern is more than just two peaks, it's a battle between buyers and sellers with each side testing their strength. The first peak forms as buyers surge forward, pushing prices higher in hopes of breaking through resistance. But sellers are waiting, and they force the price back down, rejecting the advance. After this rejection, price pulls back. Buyers don't give up easily. They regroup, reassess, and prepare for another attempt, hoping to overcome the barrier that stopped them before. The second peak is a critical moment. Buyers muster their strength and drive the price up to the previous high, but once again sellers step in with even greater force, overwhelming the buyers and halting the rally. This second failure is significant. It's not just a coincidence. It confirms that the resistance level is strong and that sellers are firmly in control at this price zone. The double top pattern is a clear signal of bullish exhaustion. Buyers have tried twice and failed both times, showing that their momentum is fading. With their energy spent, many buyers begin to exit their positions. The volume of buying dries up and the market starts to lose its upward drive. This often triggers a shift in sentiment. Bulls exit and bears see their opportunity. Sellers step in and the balance of power in the market begins to change. The double top pattern provides a clear technical reason to expect a move lower. It's a signal that's recognized by traders around the world, making it a self-fulfilling prophecy in many cases. This isn't just guesswork, it's a repeatable market behavior that has played out countless times in the past. Recognizing these patterns gives us an edge. The failed breakout above 144.10 is the final piece of evidence. It solidifies our bearish case and confirms that the resistance is holding strong. Bulls have lost control, and now the bears are poised to take over. The market sentiment has shifted decisively. This structure gives us a solid, evidence-based foundation for our sell setup. We're not acting on a hunch, but on a clear technical signal. Now let's map out where price could go next. By identifying potential support zones, we can plan our trade and manage risk effectively. The story is clear, momentum is shifting, and the path of least resistance is now to the downside. Let's plan our targets and prepare for the next move. With our sell setup in place, it's time to define targets. First target, 143.74, the neckline of the double top and immediate support. A break here confirms the pattern and could trigger more selling. Second target, 142.89, a zone of historical price congestion. Third target, 141.61, a major support and ambitious goal for the move. Each target guides our trade management and profit taking. This roadmap keeps us disciplined as the price action unfolds. Let's talk about managing the trade. Entering a trade is just the start. Management is key. Take partial profits at 143.74 to lock in gains and reduce risk. Move your stop loss to entry for a risk-free position on the remainder. Use a trailing stop as price moves toward 142.89 and 141.61. This approach lets you capture more of the trend while protecting profits. If the market reverses, your trailing stop secures what you've earned. Combining partial profits and trailing stops is a disciplined, systematic way to manage trades. Let's ensure our risk is under control. No analysis is complete without risk management. Protecting capital is rule number one. For this setup, place your stop loss above the double top, around 144.456. This level gives a clear line in the sand. If price breaks it, the setup is invalid. Calculate your position size based on stop distance and risk tolerance. Risk no more than 1–2% of your capital per trade. This keeps losses manageable and prevents emotional decision-making. Professionals think risk first, reward second. By setting a hard stop and sizing positions properly, we trade responsibly. Accept that you can be wrong. Protect yourself when you are. This is the foundation of trading longevity. Before entering, look for confirmation signals. Watch for strong bearish candlesticks, like bearish engulfing patterns, on the 1-hour or 4-hour chart. A clean break, and close below 143.74 confirms the double top and attracts more sellers. Look for weak bullish attempts, small green candles with long upper wicks, signs of bullish exhaustion, shallow pullbacks, weak rallies. Add confidence. Combine these confirmations for a high probability entry. Patience here pays off. Let's see what to watch for next. The next key moment is price action at 143.74. If sellers dominate, expect a strong break and a move toward 142.89. Take partial profits and tighten your trailing stop if this happens. If price stalls or bounces at 143.74, don't panic. Watch the strength of the bounce. A weak bounce means sellers are still in control. A strong bounce may signal a reversal. Managing the trade here is crucial. Let the market guide your next move. The story continues at this level. Stay alert and ready to adapt. We've broken down the USD JPY sell setup from rejection to risk management. This methodical approach turns trading into a strategic business. My analysis is one perspective. Share your own views and charts in the comments. Collaboration helps us all grow as traders. No setup is guaranteed. The market can surprise us. Focus on process and risk, not just outcomes. Consistency and discipline put the odds in your favor. Stay patient, wait for confirmation, and manage risk impeccably. Thanks for joining this deep dive. Updates will follow as the setup develops. Stay tuned for more analysis and opportunities. Happy trading, and I look forward to your insights.